What's good, PB gang? It's PB the GOAT, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And I am very excited because I finally got my 100K YouTube plaque. Silver button. Okay, it ain't the gold. We gonna get the gold soon. That's 100. That's at what, 100K 10 times. That's at 1 million. Okay, we gonna get that gold. I don't know about soon, but we gonna get there. All right. But 100K is definitely, it's hitting the 100K milestone is definitely, to me, a blessing. You know, I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for you guys. You know what I'm saying? And also me just grinding and just staying consistent at whatever I'm doing. You know, as far as coming out with great content for you guys. You know, I love all y'all, man. I'm just very excited to be able to do this. And now, I'm just now doing this, even though we had 140K. It took a while for this to come because I never did get notified to. It was supposed to, basically, you're supposed to get like a number or whatever, a code to put in once you hit 100K. Dang, flies. But I never did get that number. You know, I never did get that code. So I had to contact them or whatever. And it took a while for all the processing and everything. But we're good, we got it, and we're definitely right here. Okay? So this is how I was looking right here. You feel me? Cover that up. That's how I was looking. This comes in a black box like this. You know, very excited, man. Very excited. You know, even though, like I said, it's been a while. To be honest, I have never gotten a trophy or anything. Like one trophy, and that was for baseball. Actually, basketball too. One. You know, that's it. I never really got trophies and shit. You feel me? I was in sports and stuff like that, but the trophies that I did get, if I did get it, I don't have it now. Because we was moving from house to house and house and getting storages and shit. You know, I came from the ghetto getting storages and all that. And we lost the storage because we couldn't afford it to keep the, you know, we lost furniture and all type of shit. So I lost everything. I don't have nothing. This right here means a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? So we finna unbox this shit right now, man. Like, it's crazy, bro. I've been through a lot, man. This is definitely, this means a lot right here to me, man, to be able to have an achievement like this, like something that I'ma just put on the wall, and you know, always remember that, and remind me that, you know, that I grind hard for this, and remind me to keep on grinding so we can keep on growing more. You know what I'm saying? Keep on growing more. So let's open it up. Woo. Dang, man. It's crazy. Okay, it says on this card right here, got a card. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was expected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping and all this, contact them. That's what this is right here. Alright, now we got this. It's pretty much a letter from YouTube, you know. And I'll read it out. We're gonna do it like this. Excuse me. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on your YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too, of course. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you, never. And we like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. You guys, believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. A million subscribers may seem a long way away from now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, sincerely, Susan. Yeah, Susan. It's a hard last name, but it's crazy though. So I look right here, and we not, yeah, it seemed like you're far, like she's saying, but we just right around the corner. You know, we gonna hit 1 million too, you know? It's nothing. We're gonna grow. We're gonna keep growing, man. Dang, that's crazy. I can't even believe it. Shit crazy, man. This how it look right here. Ah, let's take it out. That's how it looks right here.
Woo!
The hell, you sound like a damn man. Sound like a damn man.
I do not. Guys, I saw it.
That's how it's right here. You know what I'm saying? See, we got it, baby. But you close. Stay from
Yes,
the front.
I didn't know I had a mirror reflection.
Yeah. We're gonna do the thumbnail. Probably gonna be the thumbnail right here. Yeah. So this is what it says. Presented to Poppy Blasted for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Silver play button. Definitely something I always remember. Definitely something I will keep forever. And no, we ain't putting this in the storage. You know why? Because we gonna keep grinding and we will never be broke again. Never. I grew up as being broke. And I told myself, me growing up being broke, I would never want my kids to experience something like that. You know what I'm saying? So by me having enough money to be able to just create and have enough sense of humor to create such a great, you know, channel and have support from you guys, it definitely means a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot. And I would never thought that I hit 100K subscribers. When I first made a YouTube channel, this was not my intention. This was not my goal to do. It became my goal once I hit 10K subscribers. This is when I knew that I could continue to keep growing and use my, you know, sense of humor and creative abilities to be able to do what I want, and you know, be able to have y'all right beside me and help me as well, and help us grow as a family. And that alone right there, man, makes me very happy, and I'm glad that I could definitely. I'm glad that I'm just glad that I was able to, you know, I'm able to and still be able to do what I'm doing, and you guys like it, and you guys still, you know, watching my channel, and we growing together. You know what I'm saying? And whatever I come out with, regardless of what it is, you guys watching it, and I love you guys for that, for believing in me. And with that being said, man, I'm pretty much done with the video. 100K and more to go. We gonna hit that 1 million too. It might take long. Believe me, it took 3 years to get this. It took 3 years to get this. But I'm just telling you, it doesn't matter. You know, time is money. Time is precious. Use that time, believe in yourself, and whatever you want, it doesn't matter how long it takes. As long as you achieve it, and you keep grinding, you will achieve it, I should say. So don't never think that, you know, things gonna be hard. You know, you're gonna have a lot of bumps in the road and rocks in the road, you know, ditches and dips and all that shit you gotta swerve around in life. And keep on going, and you gonna definitely get to where you wanna be at. You know what I'm saying? Reach success. That's all we doing, man, and we gonna keep on growing more. We right here, but we gonna keep going all the way and forever. Ain't nothing to stop it, man. You know, I'm 31 years old. If you guys didn't know, might be looking a little young, you feel me? But I'm 31 years old, and YouTube has definitely changed my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely inspired by other content creators as well, and they push me as well to keep on doing what I'm doing. So to all the other content creators out there, appreciate you guys too as well for inspiring me to do this. You feel me? With that being said, man, I love y'all. Take those words that I just said, soak it up like a sponge, and keep on growing. And do it, because you're going to get there. Trust me. The PB gang, we got this 100K, man. $1 million on the way, all right? Let's get it, gang. And if you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Give me my shit.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.